our job is to help people change, is to help people change and grow to perform in the way that they want to. So the way they are today is not the way they are. Their mindset will change, their habits will change, the way they look at the world will change. So it's a change of mindset, it's a change of behavior, but we are change agents. We are catalysts of change. We help people. We know what it takes to change. That's our toolbox. You know, we've got a bunch of them. We're not sure which one's going to work with whom, but we know that people are where they are right now, stuck in their box. You know, this is my life. This is what I know. This is what I know I can't do. And that's the box. And they can't see, they don't have the software to see beyond that box. And the coaching process over time delivers these little insights, these little changes of mind that over time, maybe a year or so, create a whole new network. And that network is the default network. And the other one's still there. Sometimes you fall back into your old patterns. But for the most part, you really have changed because you've built, these neurons are all connected. They weren't connected a year earlier. And that's the change at the brain level, the neuroplasticity, the actual fact that the brain is changing. And we produce that. We help people create the conditions for the brain to build a new network so that when they get to a year later at their anniversary, they look back and say, I'm not the same person. I don't think the same way. I don't do the same things. I don't even remember quite what it was like to say, I don't have time to exercise. What do you mean I don't have time? Of course I have time to exercise. It's the most important thing I schedule into my week now because my brain's on fire, my stress is better, I sleep better, I'm happier, I look better, my clothes fit better. Why would I ever go back to that old place? And so that's really changing for good, that place where you know the chance of you going back is very small. And that's our job as coaches, is to get people through that change process. The ups and downs, the bad days, the good days, lots of learning along the way, because the way you build a robust network is that things go wrong, you learn, you find different strategies, you keep going, you keep bounce back like the Energizer Bunny, you just keep going, and then eventually you get to a place where you say, this is automatic now. I don't have to think about it, it's not an effort, I'm not struggling anymore, it's who I am.